Gina from WTI. You know what the best thing is about having a little cat fur baby? Cleaning out the litter box, said no cat owner ever. That's why I'm so happy that I have this Purina Tidy Cats litter system. I wasn't sure how the change to using pellets would be, considering odor control and whether my cat would actually take to it, but I've been very pleasantly surprised that even when she goes poop in the litter box, it doesn't smell. It did take her about 2 weeks to get used to the pellets as far as going poop goes, but she used it to urinate immediately. The cat will actually pee through the pellets and it goes directly onto the pad. So you don't have to be cleaning up clumps of their urine from like a traditional sandbox. Again, I haven't noticed any odor from her peeing through the pellets. I am changing the pee pad for her about every week just to keep things fresh, but honestly, it could hold a lot more urine than I'm allowing it to. I also love that the pellets are not messy. They're not getting dust all over the floor. You might get a couple pellets that stick to their paws, but it's super easy just to pick them up and throw them out or put them back inside the box. I can tell that the cat was a little mad at me while I filmed her using the bathroom, but I really wanted you to be able to see how it works with my cat. She does dig around a lot to cover up her poop, but it stays really clean and tidy. The poop does just lay on top of the pellets and then your cat will cover over it. So when you go to scoop it out, you're just basically brushing off the pellets with the scoop and then scooping them out. I'm really pleased with this litter box system from Purina. I think it works really well and my cat does like it and use it. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.